Okay, guys, we're going to use the advanced builder now. So we're going to the transfer page and we're going to click the build gang sheet on the advanced section. Now we're going to upload the image and I'm going to throw 3 files in here now. Depending how big your files are, this can take a minute or two to upload. And the files need to be in PNG format. Okay, so there's a 3. I'm going to add one of each, and that's going to go straight onto our artboard, and they're going to be put up the top. I'm going to add a background. So we've got the contrast. I'm going to put a green background just to make it easier to see. And we're waiting for the third one to load up. So I'm just going to move these out of the way. And there's the third one. Okay, so we can use our mouse, the scroll to zoom in and out, or we can use this button on the right-hand side. And then we use the hand button to drag the artboard up and down, whichever way we want. I'm going to start with this one here first. I'm going to flip this 90 degrees. And then we can either just duplicate it and bring down. We can add however many we want, and it will give us a warning if we're overlapping. And we also have the feature for an autofill. I'm going to put it how much gap we want in between each one, and I'll get another 2 added. That's them. Now, if we jump into this one, I'm just going to duplicate this. And I'll duplicate it again. This one I'll turn over 90 degrees. You'll see here it's given us an overlap warning, and that's because we've gone over into this image over on top of it, but we can see there's no actual artwork there. This is where you have the option to go over it if you want to save space. Our auto builder won't do this. It will automatically give the space in between all the images, or you can come outside. That's where with this system here, with the advanced builder, you have that option where you can go on top of other images that are there. I'm going to leave that there for now. And let's scroll up. Now this last one, I'm going to move this over to the edge. I'm going to make this 27 centimeters. And this situation, I'm going to go for a few more. I'm going to put the 1 centimeter gap, but I'm going to add another 11. Okay, what we can see is it's already added 4 of them, but it's letting us know that it needs another 8. It's going to need to create a new sheet. I'm going to go with that. We'll create a new sheet. It's going to save the gang sheet we've already made and then start a new one. You can see there's a space down here at the end of the gang sheet. You won't be charged for that. Our system will automatically crop it. And now we'll just wait for the new sheet to get made up. Now this will take a few minutes to get made up, especially depending on how big your designs are. Okay, so that's done up. We'll come up the top and we can see the extra 8 images that we needed. And we can see the other gang sheet. The original one is over here. So let's know that's 55 centimeters by 254. And now we have the other 8 over here. We can also see how many images in total we have. And if you want to add another image, if you want to start adding more, you just click the upload button and drag the image over. There we go. We can add that now. Again, it's going to add it up the top, but we'll just grab that and bring it down. And use the autofill. I'll grab 5 of these with a 1 centimeter gap. And there we go. If you're happy with that and that's all you want to do, we can just click Save Sheet. Again, you won't be charged for this excess space. Our system will crop all of that off. And of course, the green background won't be printed. And there we have the second sheet. It's 137 centimeters long. We can now just go through and check out as per normal. And there we have a total of 3 meters 91, giving the meter rate of 27.50. And in this situation, we'll do regular shipping and we're going to pay with PayPal. And now we just check out like normal. Okay, guys, if you got any questions, please just let us know. Thanks.